Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make an intro. So if we have a video and we would like to make a cool intro at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's start. To create an intro, we will not need any programs. All we need to do is to open a web browser and then go to flixpress.com website. Of course, you can find the address in the description of this video. So all you have to do is click on this address, and after you click on it, you'll get to this website, as you see, flixpress.com. And once you get here, you have to click register button in the right top corner of the website. And here we've got two possibilities. First is signing up with our Google account. The second one is filling our username, first name, last name, email address, password. And once we fill all the fields, we have to click and check I agree to the terms, and then confirm that you are not a robot. And after that, click register. I'm going to register using my Google account, so I'm gonna click here. Of course, after you click sign up using Google, you have to confirm which account you would like to use to sign up. And after that, you'll see a screen like we can see right now. So as you can see, we can use FlixPress for free. However, if we scroll down here, you can choose one of the paid plans as they give us a little bit more features. However, in my opinion, free plan is enough, at least for the beginning. So I'm gonna scroll up here and choose Get Free Plan. So once I did it, I'm already logged into my account, and as you can see over here, this plan is free and it allows me to render 2 minutes of intro videos. So now let's get to making our intro. First of all, we have to choose free plan templates from this menu over here and click on it. Once we do this, we have a choice of several different intro projects, and once we hover over the project, they should play and we will see the preview of each project. So all you need to do right now is to check different projects and choose the one you like. So let's say I like this one, so I'm gonna click on it. And once I click on it, as we can see, the template duration is 10 seconds and my account balance shows 2 minutes, so I think those 2 minutes is more than enough because we can make 12 different intros using that. And once we are here, all we need to do is click Customize Now. And after we do it, we can choose our own images to be uploaded into our intro. As you saw on my intro, there were some cubes with logos, so the image that I will upload will be on these cubes. So I'm gonna find my logo, I press open, and once I added this image, I can proceed to the next step. And over here I can adjust which part of the logo I would like to show on the cubes. I click next. And over here, as you can see, there is my logo in this place. And it will replace this sun image on every cube over here. And over here we can write the title that we would like to show on our intro. So for example, I'm gonna write Skylark, and over here I can change the color to any color I want. So let's say I'm gonna change it maybe to green. Okay. And of course, right now, if you would like, you can swap this image of your logo to something else. And once this is ready, over here we can add audio. So after we click Add Audio, we can listen to different audio tracks over here that are available for free. All we need to do is click Listen. Over here we've got different categories. For example, we can click on short intro. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. All I need to do is to press choose button, and over here I can play it again if I want to make sure it's the right track. And over here we can choose a resolution that we would like to use, so whether we want 720p or full HD, which is 1080p. And once everything is ready, we can click create preview button. And once we did that, we get the information that our intro is being made, so we need to wait a little bit for it to be processed. And in the right top corner we can click view my previews button, and then we will see when our intro is ready. And as you can see, my intro is already prepared, so I can click to preview it. And as you can see, the logo that I chose is already replaced on the cubes. There is the text that I added over there. So if everything is okay, everything is as we want it and we like how it looks like, we can press place order and then confirm by clicking OK. And once we do that, again we have the information that our video is being generated and we have to wait a little bit for it to be processed. We can click the button in the right top corner that says view my orders, and once we do this we will be transferred to my orders tab and we will be able to see when our intro is ready. So as you can see, my intro is already generated, so all I need to do is click download. And once I click download, I've got two options to choose from. I can download SD video or HD video. HD is of course high definition video, so I'm gonna download high definition. So all I have to do is click, and once I did it, my intro is being downloaded. So in a moment I'm going to play it to make sure that everything looks fine and there are no watermarks on it. So as you can see, my intro was already made. In my opinion, it looks cool. Of course, you can choose any different template, any other template you like. Just change the pictures that are there with your own logo, write your own text, and using this website you can create intro for your videos. And that's all for today. Thanks and see you next time.